Can I ask you one small question, though, that one of the questions we've been raising is that of local level leadership, that the BJP perhaps lacked a local face to take on Mamata Banerjee. In hindsight, there was talk of Saurav Ganguly of bringing in a Bengali face. Do you think that if, in hindsight, if you still lose this election, that could have been the one area where Mamata Banerjee scored over you, a Bengali identity versus the so-called outsider identity? And the BJP needs to empower more local leaders to bridge that gap.
You know, Rajdeep, that's a very lazy and a convenient analysis. I don't know if you would have said the same thing about Sonia Gandhi if the Congress was in contention. The problem with the Congress is that they have a recognized face in Sonia Gandhi and they have nobody on the state. However, we have several chief ministers who are leaders in their own rights, and you missed that point. As far as Mamata Banerjee and Bengal is concerned, she is trailing from Nandigram. Do you realize that? What would be her moral authority to lead TMC and this government if she finally loses from Nandigram, even though her party wins? So, you know, it's very easy to get trapped into this analysis of local leadership and outside leadership. And why would national parties not have national leaders campaign in state elections? Why should the Prime Minister of India, who has member of parliaments from the state of West Bengal, coming to West Bengal and asking the electorate to support his party? The problem is that for far too long, journalists like yourself have got used to Manmohan Singh as Prime Minister and deifying Sonia Gandhi. So you can't believe that today BJP has national leadership which is strong enough, and then it has state satraps who are leaders in their own right.
So who was the state satrap in Bengal? Who was your state satrap in Bengal?
Oh, a lot of them. There is Dilip Ghosh, there is Subhendu Adhikari, there is Loket Chatterjee, there is Babul Supriyo, and the list is endless.
Three of whom are trailing at the moment, but that's another matter.
Haven't you attended their
three of whom are trailing.
Did you not follow the number of people who turned up for their programs?
Three of whom are trailing at the moment, but more seriously again, since you believe that this is a lazy argument, let me give you an argument which is a stronger one. Since 2019, the BJP's average decline in state elections is 12.5%. Bengal also, it's possible that you will get less votes than you got in the Lok Sabha. Assam could be an exception, but by and large, when Mr. Modi is not on the ticket, the BJP is not getting the same traction. Is that a problem? This was a problem the Congress faced for years during the Indira years and eventually led to the Congress's defeat in several states. That the BJP will now need to start finding a way of doing politics which is not so Delhi-centric but state-centric. Vijay Rupani clearly in Gujarat is nowhere near the stature